Cocoa toucan flies up to 56 kilometers per hour. European honey buzzard flies up to 70 kilometers per hour. Red-shouldered hawk flies up to 72 kilometers per hour. Osprey flies up to 80 kilometers per hour. Sooty tern flies up to 80 kilometers per hour. Golden plover flies up to 80 kilometers per hour. Beiteler eagle flies up to 80 kilometers per hour. Sandhill crane flies up to 80 kilometers per hour. Wimble flies up to 80 kilometers per hour. Raven flies up to 80 kilometers per hour. Kestrel flies up to 80 kilometers per hour. Red-tailed hawk flies up to 80 kilometers per hour. Bald eagle flies up to 80 kilometers per hour. Great horned flies up to 80 kilometers per hour. Swallow-tailed kite flies up to 90 kilometers per hour. Frigate bird flies up to 95 kilometers per hour. Bow swift flies up to 96 kilometers per hour. Barn swallow flies up to 96 kilometers per hour. Pintail duck flies up to 105 kilometers per hour. Common swift flies up to 110 kilometers per hour. Gannet flies up to 115 kilometers per hour. Albatross flies up to 120 kilometers per hour. Andean condor flies up to 120 kilometers per hour. Grey-headed albatross flies up to 127 kilometers per hour. Eurasian hobby flies up to 160 kilometers per hour. White-throated needletail flies up to 169 kilometers per hour. Gerfalcon flies up to 210 kilometers per hour. Salka falcon flies up to 230 kilometers per hour. Golden eagle flies up to 240 kilometers per hour. Peregrine falcon flies up to 320 kilometers per hour.